What are we on?
I don't know. People's Mover?
Yeah, that's right. We're gonna go try out some PeopleMover. Yay! We're awesome.
For your safety, remain seated.
Bright lights.
Keeping your
Sun is bright.
legs inside your car. And please supervise your children. Stay clear of the doors, which will open and
I gave you that seat so you could see everything.
I gave you that seat because hey, we stopped. Party time. Okay, I guess the party's over.
Do we keep our mask on?
I think
For the Tomorrowland Transit Authority PeopleMover, your quiet and carefree highway of the sky. We invite you to sit back, relax, and enjoy your Grand Circle tour of Tomorrowland.
look up. Can you see that?
Oh, my ears. That's cool.
Your ears are giving all those reflections.
I was wondering what it was. I thought it was a speaker or something.
You're causing a big party in here. Get the party lights going. Okay, this is where we get broken down for an hour. We're moving. We're grooving. We're flying now. We're cooking with gas. You can see all those people down there.
Visiting this land of tomorrow.
Oh, can't see anything with my glasses.
It's the perfect place for people watching. So keep your eyes open. You never know who you might see flying.
Look at all those people. What are they doing down there? They're just walking around. That's just all. They're very old people.
This is our third ride.
I have no idea. I haven't been counting. Oh, great light. Great light. Why don't I put these things on? Yeah, that's a good idea.
Yes. Your scratchy sunglasses.
Oh, look, a castle. It's beautiful. Bye-bye, castle.
Bye-bye, Castle.
We're in the door.
And now, the Tomorrowland Transit Authority proudly presents Progress City, Walt Disney's dream for an experimental prototype community of tomorrow. Progress City was the inspiration for Epcot, and many of its forward-thinking ideas have been realized throughout Walt Disney.
That's what he wanted, right?
Yep.
That would have been awesome.
If you're into shopping, then you'll want to visit Star Traders, where you'll find the greatest deals from around the galaxy.
Look, it's We're outside again.
Let the pedal to the metal towards the checkered flag in your very own race car.
Great car, Merle.
This is your chance to drive in the fast lane without worrying about hitting and speeding to you.
Reed did that. You got a speeding ticket.
No, I did not.
What's Tron?
That's the driver.
are we going now? We're going into Space Mountain.
We're now entering one of the real wonders of our world, Space Mountain. Blast off on a high-speed outer space adventure and complete to the cosmos.
It's dark in here. I'm scared. Hey, Lise, don't touch me there. Oh, who's touching me there?
A ghost.
Someone was screaming.
Please confirm the control tower to confirm your flight to the moon.
Someone was screaming. Ouch. Someone banging into me.
Yes.
Ouch.
Sorry.
What's going on?
I'm going to sit next to you.
Well, jeez, you didn't say anything. You just did it in the dark. My goodness.
Sorry.
Agent is
Thought I could do it in the light and I wasn't fast enough. Just the other one is hurting my back.
Well, we're still in the dark.
Yes, we are.
And we're still in the dark.
Yes, we are.
And we're still in the dark.
We are. Hey,
Hey. Look. That is, oh, if you can't see it. That was Space Mountain. It was really dark. All right, we're coming out of the tunnel.
Welcome back to Tomorrowland. I'm sure you visit Space Mountain while you're here for an adventure that's
Weren't you over there?
yeah.
All right.
Desire to switch.
Look, Ron. Look, now the people moving. Oh, great. Where it means. The cars, the castle. More cars.
Want to give a high-flying adventure? Hop on board the Astronaut. Hide in your own space craft. You take a spin around the planet and ascend to other
Hello, idea. Go over.
We're now approaching Walt Disney's Carousel Progress. Inside this rotating theater, 4 families welcome you into their homes of yesterday and today, starting way back in the turn of the 20th century. First presented at the New York World's Fair, this legendary circular theater celebrates the progress that has made our lives better. It's a perfect reminder that there's always a great big beautiful tomorrow shining at the end of every day.
Uh-oh, another tunnel. I guess we're going in another tunnel. Oh, it's dark in here.
No, it's fine.
I'm scared.
Calling all space rangers, this is Buzz Lightyear. Report to your star cruiser and join me on this daring space mission. Now get to see you ever observe.
As an honorary space ranger, you'll use your own personal laser cannon to save the entire galaxy.
Shoot him!
is very nice.
Is it? This thing keeps changing. You were over here, started out. Now I'm over. What's going on? Hey,
So drop in and join Mike Wazowski and all his pals at Monsters Incorporated Laugh Floor. Share the fun.
Yeah, very good. Keep it moving. We're on a tight schedule here.
To the Authority Station, our Grand Circle tour is coming to an end, but not to a stop, because this transportation system never stops.
well, Lee, we're coming to the end of our ride.
That was a cool
Thank
ride.
you for joining us on the Tomorrowland Transit Authority PeopleMover. It's been a pleasure to have you aboard. Enjoy the rest of your day and have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow.
Sort of like the idea of the SkyTrain at home.
Really? Really? You think so?
I think so.
Welcome aboard the Tomorrowland Transit Authority PeopleMover.
Well, Lee, what'd you think of the people mover?
It's cool.
All right.
That's sad.
I don't know why we keep changing seats, but that's weird. But that was a lot of fun. More from Magic Kingdom coming up.